Hello guys, today we'll find out the square root of a number by traditional method and fast trick method both. So I'll start with first example 729. In a traditional method what we'll do, we'll make a pair from the right side to the left. 29 is one paper left with this 7 only. So we have to select a number so that we have to multiply with the same number. Suppose we select 2, we have to multiply with 2, so it should be less than 7, it should not be more than 7. If we take 3, here also 3, we will multiply with 3, it comes 9, which is more than 7, so that's why we cannot take that number. So that's why we have taken 2 number. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, so we are left with 3. Now we'll take out this pair here, 329. Now we have to multiply the above number with 2. So it is 2, so multiply 2 by 2 is 4. So we have to select another number which we have to write here also, and we have to write here also, and we have to multiply with the same number. Suppose we'll take here 7 and we write 7 here also. We have to multiply this 47 number with the 7 so that the sum after multiplication should be less than this. It should not be more than that. So we have to select such a number. So if we have selected 7, we multiply by 47 by 7. 7 7 the 49, 7 4 the 28 plus 4 32. So it comes completely. So it's a complete square, and the square root of this 729 is 27. That is the answer. So in the fast track method, how we'll solve it? That is also very simple. Here also we'll make pairs from the right side to the left. This is 29, this is 7. In this method, what we have to see, from this pair, this is the first number, we have to first find out the digit of the square root. That should be 9. So 9 in this square from 1 to 10 comes here. One come over here, another come over here. So in that case, we can say the answer of this square root, the unit digit, either it should be 3 or it should be 7. One is 3, another is 7. Now we'll take the balanced number, that is the 7. So we'll see 7 comes in between which numbers? 7 comes between 2 and 3 because it is 4 and 9. So 7 comes in between. So if we take 3, so 9 is more. So we have to take a smaller number, that is the 2. 2 square is 4. So what we'll do now, we will take a number 2 over here. That could be a part of the answer. And we have to select the other number from these two numbers. How we can select that? We have to adopt a method. With this number, we have to multiply the next number. Next number is after 2, 3 comes. So after multiplying with 2 with the 3, it comes 6. So how we can select these numbers? If this number 7 is more than 6, so we have to take a bigger number. If 7 is less than this number, then we have to take a smaller number. So now in that case 7 is more than 6, so that's why you have selected a bigger number here. So this number will come over, so that's 27. 27 is the square root of 729. I'll take one more example. It is very simple to calculate. In NCERT and CBSE, you have to solve questions in a different way. I'll take one example, 5776. Yeah. So in that case also, in a traditional method, what we'll do, we'll make pairs. This is one pair, another one this pair. So we have to select a number. If we multiply with the same number, the sum should come less than this. Suppose I'll take 8. So 8 multiplied by the 8 comes 64, which is more than this. And 7 multiplied by 7, it is 49. It is less than this. So we have selected 7. We subtract now, it comes 8. And we take out these two pairs with the 8 now. Now we multiply this number, whatever is there, with 2, so that comes to 14. So we have to select another number which we write over here, and we have to write the same number here, and we have to multiply that one. Suppose we'll take 6. We have to multiply this number with the 6, like this. We have taken selected 6, so we'll write 6 here also. We'll multiply the whole equation by the 6. So let's see what the sum comes. 6 is the 36, and this is a 876. So 76 is the square root of this number. So is the answer. So we'll find the square root by the fast trick method. We'll write same 5776. We'll make pair like this, and from this, the first number we will select of the answer of the root. Here this number is 6, so we'll see 6 comes where. 6 comes in the 4, and 6 comes over in the 6. So first number of the root should be either 6 or 4. So, and for the another number, what we'll do, we'll see 57. The other pair is 57. 57 comes in between. 49 is 64. So 64 is more, 8 square is more, 7 square is less. So we'll take first 7. Now we have to select, this is the first part of the answer, and we have to select either, we have to add here either 4 or 6. So in order to select 4 or 6, what we will do, to this 7 we will multiply the next number. 8 comes after 7, so this is 56, sorry. 56 now is lesser than this number, and this 57 is more. Because 57 is more than 56, so we will select a more number. So a higher number, it comes over here. So the answer for this is square root of this number is 76. So we find out the square root of the numbers by traditional method and fast trick method. It will take around 3 seconds to 4 seconds, and this is traditional method which is adopted in the CBSE and NCERT during exams. So you can select any of the methods as per your requirement. Thank you for watching.